Good morning to my dear children. In last class, we discussed about properties of integers, closure property, commutative property, associative property. In associative property, first one, addition. A comma b comma c are integers is belongs to z. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Second, subtraction. A comma b comma c is belongs to z, that implies a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. But subtraction is not satisfied in last class. Okay, discussed about. Now continuation, multiplication. Associative property, multiplication. Here a comma b comma c are three integers is belongs to z. Now multiplication symbol, a into b into c, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Multiplication a comma b comma c is belongs to z, a into b into c is equal to a into b bracket into c. Now proof. We take any three integers. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 1. Now a value 3 into b value 2 into c value 1, that is equal to a value 3 into b value 2 into c value 1. Now we multiply 3 into 2 into 1, 2, 2 1 are 2, that is equal to 3 2 are 6 into 1, 3 2 are 6, 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. In associative property, multiplication with respect to multiplication is satisfied. Therefore, associative property, multiplication is satisfied. Multiplication is satisfied. Next, division. In associative property, division is not satisfied. Now a comma b comma c is belongs to z, that implies a divided by b divided by c is equal to a divided by b divided by c. In division, associative property does not satisfied. Check the property. Now a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. A value 1 divided by b value 2 divided by c value 3, that is equal to a value 1, b value 2, 1 divided by 2 divided by c value 3. Here 1 divided by 2 by 3, 1 divided by 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 3. 1 divided by 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 3. Now we simplify 1 here, division symbol, take multiplication symbol. Now 2 by 3 is reciprocal, 3 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. this is 3 by 1 into 3 by 1 reciprocal 1 by 3. 1 into 3, 3 divided by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to 1 1 jar 1, 2 3 jar 6. Now 3 by 2 is not equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, associative property division is not satisfied. Okay, A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B divided by C. This is the associative property division. Next, additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity is 0. Additive identity is 0. A plus 0 is equal to A, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2, minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1. Here we observe, we add 0. This is the A plus 0 is equal to A, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This is the original numbers. We add 0, the result also original number. This is the additive identity. Additive identity is 0. Next, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is 1. Multiplicative identity is 1. Now, A into 1 is equal to A. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Minus 4 into 1 is equal to minus 4. Minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Here 1 is the multiplicative identity. If take original number A is multiplied by 1. If result also original number. A into 1 equal to A, 2 into 1 equal to 2, 3 into 1 equal to 3, 4 into 1 equal to 4, 5 into 1 equal to 5, minus 4 into 1 equal to minus 4, minus 2 into 1 equal to minus 2. So, multiplicative identity is 1, additive identity is 0. Distributive property. Distributivity. Distributivity. Distributive property multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. Now, A comma B comma C is belongs to Z. That implies, this is implies symbol, A into B plus C. A bracket of B plus C is equal to, multiply A into B. A into B. AB. This means A into B plus A into C. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is the distributive property multiplication over addition. Check. Let A value 4, B value 2, C value 3. If take any integer numbers, I take A value 4, B value 2, C value 3. Now we substitute A value 4 into B value 2 plus C value 3, that is equal to A value 4 into B value 2 plus A value 4 into C value 3. 4 bracket of 2 plus 3 is equal to 4 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Now 4 into 2 plus 3, this is the addition. 2 plus 3, 5. That is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 4 3s are 12. Continuation, 4 5s are 20. That is equal to 8 plus 12, 20. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, distributive property multiplication over addition is satisfied. What observe? A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. In distributive property multiplication over addition is satisfied. Next, subtraction. Distributive multiplication over subtraction. Over subtraction. Now A comma B comma C belongs to Z. A bracket of B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. AB minus AC. A comma B comma C are integers, is belongs to Z. Z means also integer. Z also integer. A comma B comma C is belongs to Z. That implies A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. AB minus AC. We take A value 1, B value 2, C value 3. A is equal to 1, B value 2, C value 3. Now we substitute A value 1 bracket of B value 2 minus C value 3. 1 bracket of 2 minus 3. That is equal to A value 1, B value 2, 1 into 2 minus A value 1 into C value 3. Now 1 into 2 minus 3. Here 2 minus 3 is subtraction. 2 minus 3 is the subtraction. Now we subtract 3 minus 2. Subtract 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 value, that is equal to 1. Here negative sign. You keep negative sign, minus 1. That is equal to 1 2s are 2 minus 1 3s are 3. 1 into minus 1. Here plus. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. We subtract 3 minus 2. Here 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. We keep minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So distributive multiplication over subtraction is satisfied. Addition is also satisfied, subtraction also satisfied. Division by 0. Division by 0. Division by 0. A divided by 0 is equal to A divided by 0 is equal to not defined. Here denominator is 0, so not defined. Or the symbol. Take the symbol not defined. A divided by 0 is equal to not defined. 0 divided by A is equal to, here numerator is 0. Denominator any value, take 0 divided by A is equal to 0 or 0. We observed A divided by 0 is equal to not defined. 0 divided by A is equal to 0. Some examples. Some examples. 2 divided by 0. Here 2 divided by 0. Here A divided by 0 not defined. So 2 divided by 0 is not defined. 0 divided by 4. 0 divided by 4. That is equal to 0. 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Another example. 3 divided by 0. 3 divided by 0. Yes, not defined. 3 divided by 0, not defined. 4 divided by 0, here denominator is 0, not defined. Not defined. 0 divided by 5. 0 divided by 5 is not, 0 divided by 5 defined. Here numerator is 0, so 0 divided by 5 is defined. Division by 0, a divided by 0 not defined, 0 divided by a. A means any integer. A means any integer. 0 divided by a is equal to 0. Division by 1. Division by 1. Take any integer, 2 divided by 1. This is divided by symbol. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 3 by 1 is equal to 3. 3 by 1 is equal to 3. Minus 4 by 1 is equal to minus 4. Minus 5 by 1 is equal to minus 5. Minus 8 by 1 is equal to minus 8. Division by 1 means if you take the original number divided by 1, the result also original number. Here 2 is the original number, so 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. 3 by 1 is equal to 3, minus 4 by 1 is equal to minus 4, minus 5 by 1 is equal to minus 5, minus 8 by 1 is equal to minus 8. This is the division by 1. Activity. Activity. Here this is multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the small activity. Okay. This is multiplication symbol. 1 1 jar multiplication. 1 1 jar 1. 1 into 2 2. 1 3 jar 3. 1 into 0. 1 into 0 0. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Now 2 into 1 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. 2 into 0 0. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 3 into 1 3. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 3 9. 3 into 0 0. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. We multiply 0. 0 into 1 0. 0 into 2 0. 0 into 3 0. 0 into 0 0. 0 into minus 1 0. 0 into minus 2 0. 0 into minus 3 0. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Minus 1 into 0 0. Minus 1 into 0 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 minus minus plus plus 2, minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3, minus into plus 1, minus 1, sorry, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus 2 into 0, 0, minus 2 into minus 1, minus minus plus plus 2, minus into minus plus 2 2 jar 4, minus into minus plus 2 3 jar 6, plus 6. Now minus 3, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, minus 3 into 0, 0, minus 3 into minus 1, minus minus plus 3 1 jar 3, minus into minus plus 3 2 jar 6, minus into minus plus 3 jar 9. This activity, what is observed is the multiplication symbol 1 2 3 are the positive integers, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 are the also integers, negative integers. 0 is the neither positive nor negative. Here take 1 2 3, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. We multiply positive number and positive number. In this activity means what is observed? We observed any two positive numbers, we multiply by any two positive numbers, result will be positive number. Here 1 into 1, 1, okay, positive into positive, so positive, plus into plus is equal to plus. Next, negative number we multiplied by another negative number, result also positive number. So minus into minus is equal to plus. One positive number, one negative number, one positive number, one negative number, we multiplied 1 into minus 1 minus 1, so result will be negative number. Minus into plus is equal to minus, or minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1. Here negative value is the positive value, so minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, plus into minus is equal to minus. Okay, activity is completed. Another activity we practice. To practice another activity, multiplication symbol 0, minus 3, minus 4, three, 4, minus 4, minus 3, 0, 3, 4. Minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 4 4 jar 16, minus into minus plus 4 3 jar 12, plus 12. Here negative number multiplied by negative number, result will be positive number. Minus 4 into 0, here 4 into 0 means 0, minus 4 into 3, here plus, plus into minus minus 4 3 jar 12, minus into plus, minus, minus 4 4s 16, minus 3 into minus 4, plus 3 4 jar 12, minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9, minus 3 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 3, these are 9, minus 3 into 4, 3 4 jar 12, minus 12, 0 into minus 4, 0, 0 into minus 3, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 3, 0, 0 into 4, 0, 3 into minus 4, plus into minus, minus 3 4 jar 12, plus into minus, minus 3 jar 9, plus into plus 3 zeros 0. Plus into plus plus, these are 9. Plus into plus plus, 3 4s are 12. 4 into, here keep plus. Plus into minus, minus. 4 4s 16. Plus into minus minus, 4 3s are 12. Plus into plus plus, 4 zeros 0. Plus into plus plus, 4 3s are 12. Plus into plus plus, 4 4s are 16. Here negative integer into negative integer, we get positive integer. Negative integer into positive integer, we get a negative integer. Positive integer into positive integer, we get a positive integer. Positive integer into negative integer, we get a negative integer. This like plus into plus is equal to plus, minus into minus is equal to minus, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus. Okay, activity is completed. This class is completed. We continue next class, operation of integers. Okay, thank you children.